Okay, grab your clarinet. Let's go. Mary had a little lamb. Okay, and this is how this played. Do it very slowly at first and make sure you get all of your notes out. Here we go. We're gonna start on E and we're playing in the key of C. So there's no sharps, there's no flats. Let's go. Next note, D, C, back to D, E, D, G, back to E. And after you got that, step it up a notch. Go up to the second octave. You're gonna hold it back, press down this register key, drop these three down, and these two. And practice that till you get that E out. When you get to the second register, you gotta blow a little bit harder, but the consistency in the airflow is what you're working at, so that's why you're gonna take it very slow. Don't be in a rush. Don't try to play the whole song immediately. And note, this is for my very, very, very beginners. So have fun with this, take your time. These are just the classics, the first songs on almost any instrument. You get this down, the basics, you could play any song that you like, because they all at some point gonna use these notes. Key of C, no sharps, no flats. See you on the next video. Let's keep it moving.